I am, for 2024, I'm the newly elected Vice President of Technical Communities and Conferences. I joined right out of graduate school. The first conference I went to, I joined. And I came up through conferences and TCs, and that's where my heart and soul is. So I'm really happy to be the VP this year because that's what I've been doing for all these years. What do I like most about volunteering? I think there are a couple of things. One, it's just very rewarding because you get results and you see results. But I also think it's very important for meeting people and networking. And for me, much of my career, I tie back to the volunteering, even that very first time in 1982, because I met some of the most senior people in my field and got to spend time talking to them because I was a volunteer and I was working there. So it's meeting people and networking.